welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening a Wreck-It Ralph box. So let's get started. We open the first layer. Now we're going to open this layer. So let's see what I'm opening. So we got this little ball. You have to unbox things, so let's see what I get. It's big. Think? I could Wreck-It Ralph, I think. See?
No.
Let's see. Guess who I got? Wreck-It Ralph. Oh, and then he has Vanellope's cookie necklace. So this is how he looks. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching me unbox Wreck-It Ralph.
Show them all that. Give in the box.
Wreck-It Ralph, and there's nothing. Just came this little Ziploc bag. And you could collect. Well, I'm gonna close it. I'm just gonna close it first. I'm gonna show you. So like that. You have these three, and these are who you can collect. I do not want this one. No. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and Wreck-It Ralph. Bye guys.